If you are looking for headphones that do not just let you hear your music, but actually let you feel it, you need to check out the Skullcandy Crusher Bluetooth Headphones. These are not your average headphones. With their legendary multi-sensory sensory base, you get an adjustable slider that lets you physically feel the low end, like you are standing in the front row of a live concert. Plus, with crystal clear audio, a built-in microphone for hands-free calls, and an incredible battery life that keeps the music going all day. They are built for serious music lovers, gamers and commuters alike. They are ultra-comfortable, durable, and pack a sound profile that completely transforms your favorite tracks. If you want to experience sound in a whole new dimension, do not wait. I have placed the direct link to grab your pair on Amazon right in the description below. Tap that link now and upgrade your listening experience today.